everyone! Today Hemptique is bringing you a friendship bracelet tutorial with an adjustable closure knot. For this tutorial you are going to need 4 strands of hemp cord. I will be using this beautiful variety pack of hemp cord for today's tutorial. And I've measured each of my cords about 50 inches long. Take your 4 cords and fold them evenly in half. We're going to form a loop here up at the top where they're folded in half by tying a simple overhand knot. So just take them and fold them in half, and I like to pinch it closed here so that I have a loop. I'm going to take those long ends, swing them around 2 of my fingers so we're forming another loop, and then just twist those ends around the loop and pull them through. And then you can slide your fingers off and pull the knot up and tighten it. And then we'll have our nice loop formed. Go ahead and secure your bracelet to a tabletop. Now take your cords and separate them into 3 groups. You'll have a group of 3 on the left, a group of 3 on the right, and a group of 2 in the middle. We're going to use these 3 groups and start making a braided pattern. To make a braid, I'm going to take the side here on the right and cross it over the middle cord. Then I'm going to take the side on the left and cross it over the new grouping that's in the middle. And I just repeat these simple steps. Right over the middle to become the new middle. Then left over the middle to become the new middle. Make sure you keep your ropes fairly tight as you braid the pattern. Continue your braid pattern until it will fit on your wrist. About 5 to 7 inches should do. As you're tying the braid, you can periodically check to make sure it will fit on your wrist. And you can keep braiding until it just goes all the way around with that nice braided pattern. Once you have it braided to the desired length, we're going to secure it with another overhand knot. So once again, just take those ends, form a loop, and send those ends back around through the loop. And pull it tight. Now to make our bracelet adjustable for it to fit on our wrist, we're going to take all these ends together and send them through the loop that we originally formed up at the top. So just stick them right through that loop. Now pull on those ends to form another loop. Now we'll send the ends through that new loop once again. And we're going to pull this towards the middle of our bracelet to form the slip knot. Just like that. And now our bracelet is adjustable. And there you go. I hope you guys found this friendship bracelet tutorial helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.